How to turn on or turn off always show volume control on the lock screen for the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings page, we go down and tap on Accessibility. Then scroll down, and in here tap on Audio and Visual. Then go down and tap on Always Show Volume Control. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And here it will show volume controls on the lock screen for headphones and the built-in speaker. After, you can tap on the back key to go back to the previous setting page, or you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.